let's help Matcha Nova.
Absolutely not. The consistency of this is slimy. You have a sweet aura. Pure loveliness. You are so elegant. Incredibly good looking. An absolute dream. Pure loveliness. You have a sweet aura. Truly delightful. I can already tell this is going to be a masterpiece. I can't wait to see your reaction. This look is simmering, about to come to a full boil. Let's add the glow. I'm just so eager to blend this all out and see the result. I can already tell this is going to be a masterpiece. This is going to be a work of art. This is going to make your whole outfit pop. I can feel it. I need to see this lip on you now. It's a masterpiece. This is why I do what I do. The way this blush melts into your skin is just seamless. Just perfect. It's so soft and romantic. The glow is real. You literally look like you're glowing from within. The finish is like polished silk. It's moments like these that feel like discovering treasure. Flawless! It's got a beautiful, painterly quality to it. Your features are just singing. Absolutely ravishing. Simply marvelous. A delightful person. You look wonderful. Your features are stunning. You look absolutely fresh. Your beauty is captivating. Your beauty is captivating. I'm eagerly awaiting the moment I can hand you the mirror. been dying to try this new highlighter on someone with your skin tone. Let's add the glow. We're building up to something truly special here. The final step is so close I can taste it. Let's add that shimmer. The anticipation is the best part, isn't it? I'm just itching to get to the finishing touches. I think this might be one of my favorite looks ever, and we're not even done. The texture of this eyeshadow is incredible. I can't wait for you to feel it. I have to take a picture of this. The glow is real. Amazing! You have the most beautiful canvas to work on. A truly stunning result. It's perfect. It's so soft and romantic. The way this blush melts into your skin is just seamless. It's like the colors were made just for you. This lip liner defined your shape perfectly. Moments like this. This is the kind of result that makes my entire week. So striking! Remarkably beautiful. Picture perfect. Absolutely ravishing. A sophisticated beauty. Your makeup is perfect. You light up the room. Just beautiful. This color story is going to be everything on you. I am so looking forward to seeing your smile when you see this. I've been dying to try this new highlighter on someone with your skin tone. This is going to be a work of art. I need to see this lip on you now. The vision is clear in my mind. Just need to execute. It's going to be spectacular. It's almost time. Okay, deep breath. It's almost time. It's moments like these that feel like discovering treasure. Your face just lit up. I'm just floored. Your face just lit up. It's a dream to work on. The glow is real. You look absolutely radiant. I've used this product 100 times, but on you, it's something special. You have the most amazing bone structure. You have the most amazing bone structure. It's perfect. A complete dream. We're on the brink of something amazing. The potential here is just thrilling. We are about to create some serious magic here. I am buzzing with ideas for this look. Every step is getting us closer to the big reveal. I'm looking forward to adding that pop of color. We're on the brink of something amazing. I have the perfect idea for your eyes. Just trust me. I'm practically vibrating with how good this is going to be. I actually gasped. Just perfect.